A nomadic tiny house on wheels, as Theo, when conceived with a core dedication to tranquility and purposeful living, transcends the mere necessity of shelter to become a comprehensive declaration of a life defined by unrestricted freedom and profound peace. This innovative form of habitation fundamentally challenges the restrictive permanence of traditional real estate, instead providing an extraordinary degree of spatial liberty and personal self-governance. The underlying architectural philosophy is devoted to creating an environment that masterfully balances robust travel functionality with deep restorative comfort. Unlike conventional houses, which often necessitate a fixed location and encourage the accumulation of material goods, this mobile sanctuary grants its occupants the complete flexibility to relocate their entire world on impulse, empowering them to actively pursue serenity, be it the quiet isolation found deep within alpine valleys or the awe-inspiring scope of a rugged coastline. The house itself thus functions as an unwavering, secure constant amidst dynamic, ever-changing scenery, providing the deep-seated security of a permanent base without diminishing the exhilarating potential of continuous exploration. The compelling attractiveness of this particular style of FAO is rooted in its seamless fusion of elegant architectural simplicity and deep-seated, practical comfort. Every component is meticulously engineered to actively reduce stress while concurrently maximizing the occupant's sense of well-being. Externally, the home often adopts a streamlined, unornamented aesthetic, typically finished with highly durable, light-toned materials like treated wood cladding or high-grade metal sheeting, reflecting both contemporary style and the demanding requirements of travel. Internally, the space is an eloquent expression of mindful design, characterized by a complete absence of excess and an assurance that every single item either serves an essential function or genuinely enhances joy. To counter any potential sensation of being boxed in, the design strategically leverages verticality and copious natural illumination. Essential features such as elevated ceiling heights, expansive picture windows, and full glass doors deliberately dissolve the barriers between the interior living space and the surrounding natural environment, ensuring the dwelling perpetually feels far more expansive than its modest footprint suggests. Furthermore, the chromatic scheme is inherently calming, relying on a foundation of subtle neutral tones, rich natural timbers, and gentle, selective accent colors to establish a supportive, non-distracting visual environment for daily life. The genuine appeal and profound peace of a nomadic tiny house are truly revealed within its detailed interior finishes, which are painstakingly curated to promote an all-encompassing calm. Storage solutions demonstrate exceptional cleverness and integration, specifically designed to vanish when not actively required, thereby maintaining pristine sightlines and contributing to mental clarity. Innovations include seamless pull-out drawers integrated into stair risers, sophisticated multifunctional furniture pieces, and flush, handle-less cabinetry.